All right, so once we have identified a problem, here are the three different techniques that you can deploy in order to solve the problem. So the first one is the five whys. The second one is if not now, but when, or not now, but when. And the third one is cause and effect outline. So the first one, the five whys, you want to use this one when the issue or the error is a simple issue. If the issue you're trying, the problem you're trying to solve is like a computer glitch or something like that, you want to use the not now but when method. And if the root cause is a complex issue, then you want to use the cause and effect outline. So here's how it works. So the five whys we have displayed over here. And this is basically where you ask why five times to get down to the root of the issue. So here we have an example at the very top. The issue was some work was filed late. We ask why. Someone was on vacation. Okay, why was it that they were on vacation that it made it late? No one covered their work. Okay, why did no one cover their work? There was no communication on what work needed to be covered. Okay, why was there no communication? The boss didn't assign it out, right? So the boss was responsible for that communication. Okay, why didn't the boss assign it out? Oh, boss didn't set a reminder. Okay, so then we've gotten to the root issue, right? We've gone why five times deep. So now moving forward, we need to change a process where the boss or the bosses always need to be setting reminders when their team goes out on vacation, in order to prevent any late work related to vacation. So it's very simple, but going five whys deep can be very, very powerful and very clearing for a simple issue. So that's how that works. The next one, not now, but when. This is a little bit more of a timeline, and this is when you're trying, primarily when you're trying to detect like a computer error or a glitch. You want to figure out, you want to start mapping when it happens and then when it doesn't happen, and then figure out the difference on why that is. So we have a little bit of a timeline display down here, right? Tuesday, the error happens. Wednesday, there's never an error. But Thursday, it happens again, right? For whatever reason, every Tuesday and Thursday, this one error happens, but Wednesday never happens. Okay, let's start, reverse engineering that. Let's figure out what is happening unique to Tuesdays and Thursdays that's not happening on Wednesdays. You kind of, flesh that out over time and you figure out what the difference is. Are different people doing this process? Is someone doing it at a time they're not supposed to? Whatever it is, right? You start isolating when it works and then when it doesn't work, and that typically leads to the solution that fixes that glitch. This is something that I use very, very often in working with computers. And then the cause and effect outline. This is when it's a little bit more complex, and there's there could be multiple reasons why there's an issue. So here we have the same issue. It's late work, but it's by two different people. Both Abby and Chase had late work. But Abby's reasons, right, her whys are different. Abby was assigned too much work and there's a system glitch, and Chase was on vacation. So what happens is you can keep splitting these using whys, right? Why was she assigned too much work? Why was there a system glitch? Chase on vacation, why? And maybe this is the solve for Chase's, but we can keep expanding out Abby's. And what will happen is you'll expand it out far enough to where you'll get multiple solutions that you can either implement all at once, or you can, if you're not sure that they would solve the problem, then you can experiment and implement them one at a time to see which one works. And through that, you'll find your solution and you'll fix that issue. And so, yep, those are the three different problem methods or methods you can use. Again, the five whys, if not now, but when, and the cause and effect outline. These will solve the majority of the problem that you face.